Okay, so when you log into xm.com, you will have this one, or you can go to my accounts, and then you have this dim accounts. No, I just set it to, this is 10,000, but I set it to 500. So you can set, for example, this one, you can set the balance. Okay. Now, if you want to use this for the MetaTrader, you can click account information, and then you have the server, you have the MTID. Okay, so you will use this one. There are different servers in the for XM Global. There are different servers, I think up to 10. For example, this one, after that you will download the MT5, okay, because it is using MT5. So you go here, go to tools, no, not tools, platform. Then let's say we have MT5 for PC, MT5 for Mac, MT5 Web Trader. Let's try Web Trader. Okay, so MT5 access, pumili ng server, di ba 9? So choose 9, patuloy. Then okay, go back to this, and then this, oops, account information. So this is your ID, copy that one, so, log in, okay, and your password, the account password. Okay, connect to account. Okay, so here you have the chart. Okay, now this is for the web base. If you download, for example, you go here and you download platforms, you download the MT5 for PC, for example, PC is what you are using, you can download, and then once it's downloaded, you have this one. Okay, so that is how you do it para you will have this. Or if you want ang browser based, kani siya. Okay, so up to this one, and then you are ready for the second session.